Hi guys, today we're gonna solve these equations. It's log base 6 x plus 2 plus log base 6 x plus 3 equal 1. So what we're gonna do, remember this formula that say this formula when we got like log base whatever the base, log base let's say log base 10 of a plus log base whatever the base, it doesn't matter, but the base should be the same, log base b log base c of, let's say if I have log base c of a plus log base c of b, or let's put c here, okay, like this. But the base, but if we have the same base and we have additions with a log, so this we can write it in another form like log base c a time b. Okay, that's the formula. So we're gonna apply this formula since we got here the same base and we got an additions with the same base. We can write it this way, like log the same base, log base 6. We're gonna have like we're gonna have a multiplications. Let's put this, we're gonna have a multiplication between x plus 2 x plus 2 time multiplication x plus 3. So we just apply this formula when we have additions between two logarithms with the same base. We can multiply this value, okay, a and b. We can, so we multiply, it's like a equal x plus 2, b equal x plus 3. So we just multiply them, so they still equal to 1, Okay, now what we're gonna have log base, same base 6 of, and this multiplication we're gonna have x by a, we're gonna have a x squared x to the power of 2 plus 5x plus 5x plus 6. You can do the multiplication by yourself. You're gonna get this, still equal 1. Okay, and now what we're gonna do when we get here, so we get log base, excuse me, we got here like log base 6, right? Log base 6 x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal 1. So here we're in trouble. What we can do, so here's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to erase this log. So I need to solve the equation how to erase log base 6, how to erase it. So one technique, if you want to erase a log, you try to use the exponent. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use the same base and put, so let me remember this formula. There is a formula that say if I have a to the power of log base a, the same base, log base a of x, these equal x. You see, so if I have a base and I use the base like I raise this base to the power of the log with the same base, I'm gonna end up with x. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna make a copy of this, so we're gonna use it in another page. Let me make a copy of this. I'm gonna go to another page since I don't have enough space here. So remember this formula, I'm gonna use this formula. A to the power of log base a of x equal x. Remember this formula. Okay, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use this formula. Here we go. We are here. Let's pass it here. So let me go up there. I'm gonna do it up there. So here's what I'm gonna do. So let me put this at the top. Sorry. Let me put this at the top since I need some space to work down there. Okay. So remember the formula I told you. This formula, I'm gonna use this formula. Okay. I'm gonna use this formula. Okay. A to the power of log base a of x equal x. Okay. So the base is 6, so I'm gonna make 6 to the power of log base 6 of x squared 5x plus 6. Right now, since I use this like an exponent, I'm gonna do the same with the other side also. I'm gonna have this like 6 to the power of 1. You see? So what I do, the two side, I use the two side like an exponent to the power of 6. So 6 to the power of this side, 6 to the power of this side. So what that means, if I have two values that are equal, okay, and I take a base, I raise them to the same value, I should have the same value. So I have 6 to the power of this side equals 6 to the power of this side. So there we go. Now remember the formula I told you, a to the power of log base a of x equal x. So I'm gonna use it here. 6 to the power of log base 6 of x squared plus 5x plus 6. This equals 6. This equal, excuse me. So this equal x squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 6 equal 6. Since 6 to the power of 1 is still 6. Okay, now it's easy to solve this. You know, there we go. We got a simple equation here. So what I can do, it's simple. I can just put minus 6 to the two sides. So I'm gonna have like here like x squared plus 5x equal 0. Since you see I put minus x to both sides, okay, equal 0. So now I'm gonna write this like a factor. This x factor of x plus 5 equal 0. So I have like two values here. So in order of this expression to be 0, I may have x equals 0. That's one solutions. That's one solutions, and the other solutions is x plus 5 equals 0. If I have x plus 5 equals 0, the last result gonna be, that will imply that I got like x equal minus 5. Those are my two solutions. But one last thing to remember that whatever the log, I can compute the log of a negative value. We told that before. I can compute the log of a negative value. So if I put 0 here, I'm going to have 0, 0, and then I'm going to have log 6. But if I put minus 5 here, I'm going to have like 25. I'm going to have like minus 25. Okay, that's going to be good. Okay, I'm going to have like 25. This is 25 minus 25, 0. So I'm still gonna have, okay, that's okay. So I got those two solutions, x equals 0, x equal minus 5. These are my two solutions. So this problem, remember this problem, it was about like log x plus 2 equal plus log base 6 x plus 2 plus log base 6 x plus 2 equal 1. If you want, you just can place those value, put 0, 0 here. You're gonna have log 2, log base 6 of 2, log base 6 of 3. So when you do it, you should find 1. Okay, so that's all for today. See you for my next video. We're gonna do more video about logarithm, different kind of logarithm. We have, let's say if I have like log base 6 x plus 2 minus log base 6 x plus 3 equal 1. We're gonna do different kind of problem on over the logarithm and exponential also. See you for my next video. That's all for today. See you for my next video.